Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to change or remove the Howdy admin in WordPress. So let's start the tutorial. Where it is written, I will show you. It is written Howdy admin. This way that it is written. So I don't want to add Howdy and what exactly it is. So I'm going to remove this. So here Howdy is replaced by the hello. So I'm already making the hook action. So let's remove this hook action, and here I'm replacing the Howdy with the hello. Right? If I'm going to save this one and just try to reload this hello admin. Right? Now the thing is, see, it is replaced. Whatever text you want to add over here, hello, hello admin, hello something, you can add. You can replace the howdy with any one of the greeting, admin or something. You can just add over here. Just reload this. Whatever text it is written, it will come into over here, right? So it is very easy. Just you need to add this function, right? After adding this function, you will able to just replace the howdy with whatever letter you can replace with this method, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you will understand, and if you have any issue in that, just write below the comment section and I will explain. I will give you the share the code or accordingly, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.